I'd like to welcome you all aboard the world's famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Lucy, and I'll be your skipper for the next 5 days and 10 romantic nights. Now I gotta know, who came on the Jungle Cruise looking for danger? Let me hear ya. Alright, right-hand side, first sign of danger. Capital letters, look at that. So exciting. I'd also like to point out the jungle's scariest of all creatures. They're the little ones that hang out with their parents for 18 to 25 years and they bleed them dry. They usually run up and down here and they wave to me and I wave back and I'm like, ah! There's one. Yeah, oh, there's another one. Yeah, we better get out of here. There's too many of them. We are now approaching the ancient Cambodian shrine built by ancient Cambodian shriners. On the left-hand side is a 500-pound Bengal tiger. Now that tiger can jump up to 20 feet across. Luckily, we are 15 feet away. He would jump right over us. In the water on the left-hand side is our pet crocodile. Her name is Ginger, and Ginger does nap. She is one tough cookie. We are now exiting the ancient Cambodian shrine and entering our Indian elephant bathing pool. Folks, feel free to take as many pictures as you like. All of our elephants have their trunks on. Oh, except that one. You guys looked. Hi, elephant. And up in the shower is Bertha. Bertha has been in that shower a very, very long time. Look at all those wrinkles. A word of advice, if you plan on spending as long a time in the shower as Bertha, you could turn into an elephant. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Go back down, Squirt. Go on, Squirt. There's people on this boat. Good boy. You're such a good listener. What a good boy. Uh-oh. He's going to squirt again. Everyone get down. Get down, get down, get down. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm just kidding. Whoa! Did you guys see that? There was an explosion. Let's get closer. Oh, monkeys! Hi, monkeys! Whoa, those gorillas took over that entire camp. And they took over my car and turned it upside down and left the lights on. Well, that is fantastic. But you know what, though? You don't see that every day.